Guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video I am organizing and cleaning up Aiden's room. He is my 9-year-old. He has his own room, and every so often I need to come in here and just kind of like move the furniture and clean underneath the furniture, and so that's what I'm doing today. It hasn't been straightened up since Christmas, and this is the beginning of January, so I just wanted to come in here while he's at school and get underneath all of the furniture and reorganize and make sure there's a home for all of his new toys that he got for Christmas, and just kind of clean it up. And then later on, I'll need to go in there and dust and do a full cleaning. But for today's purposes, I just really wanted to get the toys organized. If you are new here, I would love to have you as a subscriber, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you enjoy this type of video, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up because it helps my channel out so much. Thank you guys for helping me reach my first 500 subscribers. And if you would like to become part of my YouTube family, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button. It's free, doesn't cost you anything, and it lets you know when I have new content available for you to watch. So hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button to be notified on when I upload new videos. Now let's get into the organizing.
It's kind of bittersweet. Never thought I'd come back. It's been a while since I packed up my things and left. I recall it still in my beat-up truck. I didn't look back, didn't give up. I got my first real kiss behind the coffee shop. Thought he was the one until we broke it off. I recall it still in his beat-up truck. Yeah, I cried like hell. Then I told him off, for I would never come back to this town. But now I'm here once again, and things that I forgot just keep flooding by, the memories that I'm made of. Damn, my heart still beats for the place where I grew up. I worked that later shift at the local bar, but said I'll make it big. Said I quit this job. I recall it still, yeah, just like that. I walked out that door and never looked back, for I would never come back to this town. But now I'm here once again, and things that I forgot just keep flooding by, the memories that I'm made of. Damn, my heart still beats for the place where I grew up. Damn, 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 ooh, ooh, yeah. Damn, 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 ooh, ooh, yeah. Damn, 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 ooh, ooh, yeah. Damn, 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 ooh, ooh. I recall it still in my beat-up truck. I didn't look back, didn't give up. Swore I would never come back to this town. But now I'm here once again, and things that I forgot just keep floating by, the memories that I'm made of. Damn, my heart still beats for the place where I grew up. Damn, 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 ooh, ooh, yeah. Damn, 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 ooh, ooh, yeah. Damn, 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 ooh, ooh, yeah. My heart still beats for the place where I grew up. Damn, my heart still beats for the place where I grew up.
So what I did is, this used to be one of those containers that I kept the kids' clothes in. I have Aiden's Army Men in here, and this goes to the Nutcracker actually. And his planes in here, and then his Nerf gun pieces in here. Okay, I'm standing at the door. I have it closed because kids are being loud. Jason's watching them right now. But here's his closet. He has the bigger closet in here, which at one point both of the boys were sharing. So he definitely has plenty of room. I have his clothes hung up. Usually they're in order. I haven't done that, but this is where we keep the Christmas ornaments, just because I don't want to put them in the attic and the climate get to them, like they get too hot or too cold. And then over here, I think we're going to get
something to keep extra linens in. Here are some just like keepsake banners and pictures and stuff. That's his Halloween costume, their luggage, Aiden and Jack's. And then this is where Aiden's clothes are and his shoes. I need to run a vacuum in there. I haven't done that yet. But over here I put some of his Nerf guns. A lot of them are outside. His aircraft carrier, and then the top is Army Men, airplanes, Nerf gun accessories. And I have nothing under the bed right now, but we can slide some smaller boxes under there. Here are his stuffed animals, and I have his bed here, and then his nightstand with just some of his random things in there. And you can't see because of the big glare, but he got a Kindle, some kind of, it's not an iPad, it's like the Amazon one, a Kindle Fire, or something like that. Fan and his lamp. I believe these two boxes I might put under the bed. I'll just go ahead and do that. This is his Lincoln Logs and extra Legos. So like stuff like that can slide underneath there. And then his little reading nook. I just took 4 crates from Target and flipped them over, and they work just as well. And then I'm thinking about getting him some like little pillows or something that he can sit here and read. And then, like I showed you earlier, we hung up his Red Baron. I'm thinking about getting some other little planes to put up there. The TV Santa brought him and Luke for Christmas. And then his PlayStation 4, that's the only gaming system he has. And this cute little truck that my dad got him for Christmas. And then in here we have Jack's clothes. And I like for the youngest kid to have this as their clothes because I can keep it really nice and organized. And I don't know, I just prefer it that way. And I went ahead and moved the Lego box from here to here so that he would have more room in the reading nook. And then I could get him a rug to go here just to make it a little bit more homier. And then I did have curtains in here, so I might put some curtains back up. I mean, I still have the old ones. I could try putting those back up too. And then there's his hoverboard that he got from one of his grandpas for Christmas. So that's pretty much his room. He's into books, Legos, and like Army Men, the little green Army Men, so he has like tons of those. But anyways, that is all for this room. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you are new here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!